All right, if you're working with a lot of promises in JavaScript, you're going to want to check out this library. So I am writing this function here called take a screenshot. And what it's doing is it's just taking 100 different screenshots from a video so that I can go through it and find the sort of best thumbnail. Now I need to run that 100 times for every single video that I have. And I was thinking like what's the best performance? So if you run it all at once with Promise.all, then it takes 33 seconds, 35 seconds, because I have a pretty fast computer. A lot of computers wouldn't even have that much memory to run it all at once. So the alternative is, okay, you just run them sequentially, one after another. And that was even slower, 43 seconds, right? Because my computer can do it more at once at the same time. So I reached for one of my favorite libraries called PMAP. And what that will do is allow you to run your promises concurrently. And I played around with the number, and the number of 6 was ideal for me, meaning that I take all of my promises and I run them through PMAP, and it's going to sort of queue them up and run at most 6 at one time. So when one finishes, it grabs another one and starts it. That's different than chunking them up into groups of 6, because one promise that takes really long could hold up the whole thing. In this case, you're just waiting. Oh, one's done, grab another. One's done, grab another. So PMAP is on NPM. You can install it. You pass it your array of data, and then you create what's called a mapper function. So you just return a promise from that function, and it will run them at most. And that was 19 seconds to run 100 screenshots, which is twice as fast as running them one after another, and 14 seconds faster, quite a bit when you're running them all at once. Check it out.